In this video, I will quickly show you how to make a wire transfer to Coinbase. First, open your Coinbase account through the mobile app or official website and sign in. Once logged in, go to the Add Cash or Deposit section to add funds to your account. Now choose Wire Transfer as your deposit method. Coinbase will provide the bank details required to complete the transfer. Carefully copy the information such as bank name, account number, routing number, and transfer reference. Next, open your bank app or online banking platform. Now select the option for a wire transfer or international bank transfer. Enter the banking details provided by Coinbase exactly as shown. It is very important to include the reference or code provided by Coinbase so the deposit can be correctly identified. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The transfer time may vary, usually between 1 to 3 business days. You can track the deposit status directly inside your Coinbase dashboard. Once the funds arrive, they will be available to buy crypto or remain in your account balance. And that's it. Now you know how to wire transfer money to Coinbase easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.